Asterisk. Hey there. Welcome back to If you're new here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. We dive deep into all things motorcycles, reviews, and everything in between. Now, in today's video, we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of 2026, the Honda Rebel 1100. We're going to break down everything you need to know, from design and performance to tech and ride experience. So sit tight and let's get started. Asterisk. All right, let's kick things off with an introduction to the 2026 Honda Rebel 1100. The Rebel series has been one of Honda's most successful cruiser lines, combining classic cruiser aesthetics with modern technology, reliability, and versatility. And for 2026, Honda is bringing some exciting updates to the Rebel 1100, making it an even more compelling option in the cruiser market. When it comes to design, the 2026 Honda Rebel 1100 retains the same minimalistic aesthetic that's become synonymous with the Rebel name, but with some modern updates to enhance its appeal. First off, the 2026 Rebel 1100 maintains its stripped-back, no-frills design, giving it that tough, urban cruiser vibe. The sharp, angular lines on the bodywork make it look sleek and aggressive, while the low-slung stance keeps that classic cruiser feel. If you've been a fan of the Rebel series over the years, you'll definitely recognize this as an evolution of the brand's original design philosophy, but with a more contemporary touch. One of the key design updates for the 2026 model is the new color schemes. The color options this year are more refined, offering a mix of bold metallics and matte finishes that make the Rebel 1100 stand out. You'll see color choices like matte iridium gray and pearl stallion brown, which add a premium look to this already stylish bike. The frame is still that lightweight steel unit, which ensures that while the bike is big and powerful, it's still easy to handle, especially for riders transitioning from smaller bikes or those looking for a versatile all-around motorcycle. The 2026 Rebel 1100 also retains its minimalist headlamp, giving the bike a retro vibe, but with modern LED technology that's brighter, more efficient, and longer-lasting. And of course, the seat remains low, making it accessible for shorter riders, which has always been a key feature of the Rebel series. Now, let's talk about the heart of the beast, the engine. The 2026 Honda Rebel 1100 still features the 1,084 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that we've seen in previous models. However, there have been some tweaks under the hood that improve overall performance. This liquid-cooled engine is one of the standout features of the Rebel 1100, delivering ample power and torque, which makes it suitable for both city commutes and highway cruising. Honda has fine-tuned the Rebel 1100's engine to provide smoother power delivery at both low and high RPMs. The parallel twin layout offers a balanced feel, and there's a nice amount of power throughout the rev range. At full throttle, the engine delivers around 87 horsepower, which is more than enough to have some fun on the open road. Whether you're looking to zip through traffic or cruise on the highway, the Rebel 1100 has you covered. Moving on to the suspension and handling, the Rebel 1100 for 2026 continues to build on the already impressive handling characteristics of the previous model. Honda has equipped the Rebel 1100 with a set of long-travel suspension components to ensure that the bike can handle a variety of riding conditions. This includes a 43mm telescopic fork at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear. The suspension provides a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough or uneven surfaces, and it's responsive enough to give you confidence when tackling winding roads or tight corners. The long travel suspension allows the bike to soak up bumps easily while maintaining stability. When it comes to handling, the Rebel 1100 remains agile for its size. The low-slung frame and lightweight build mean it's surprisingly nimble, making it a great option for newer riders or those who prefer a more manageable bike for city riding. The wide handlebars also offer great control, and the bike's overall geometry makes it easy to handle at low speeds. Another key feature here is the improved braking system. The Rebel 1100 comes equipped with dual front disc brakes and a single rear disc brake, which provide plenty of stopping power. The brakes are responsive and easy to modulate, ensuring you can stop on a dime when necessary. One area where the 2026 Honda Rebel 1100 shines is in its technology. Honda has incorporated some cutting-edge features that make this bike stand out from the competition. For starters, the Rebel 1100 is equipped with a 5-inch full-color TFT display that provides all the important information you need in a sleek, modern format. This display is easy to read, even in direct sunlight, and it gives you access to things like ride modes, fuel consumption, and more. In addition to the TFT display, the Rebel 1100 is also equipped with Honda's smart key system, which allows you to start and stop the bike without taking the key out of your pocket. It's a convenient and secure feature that adds a modern touch to the Rebel's classic design. One of the most exciting features of the 2026 Rebel 1100 is its optional DCT, dual-clutch transmission version. The DCT version of the Rebel 1100 offers the convenience of automatic shifting, giving you a more relaxed riding experience, especially for those who don't want to deal with clutch engagement and shifting. The DCT system is smooth and responsive, providing an enjoyable ride whether you're in stop-and-go traffic or cruising on the highway. Comfort is a major factor for any long-distance motorcycle, and Honda has done a fantastic job with the ergonomics of the 2026 Rebel 1100. The low seat height, at just 27.5 inches, makes this bike accessible to a wide range of riders, especially those who may struggle with taller bikes. The seat itself is comfortable and offers a great amount of support for both short and long rides. The handlebars are positioned in such a way that they provide an upright, relaxed riding posture. This helps reduce fatigue on longer rides, allowing you to stay comfortable throughout the day. The footpeg positioning is also ideal, offering a natural, relaxed riding position that doesn't feel cramped or awkward. And let's not forget about the wind protection. While the Rebel 1100 doesn't come with a full windscreen, the minimalist front end provides just enough protection for riders who don't mind feeling the wind while cruising at highway speeds. For those who want more wind protection, you can always add an aftermarket windshield to the mix. Alright, that's a wrap on our in-depth look at the 2026 Honda Rebel 1100. If you're in the market for a cruiser that blends power, comfort, and technology, this bike is definitely one to keep on your radar. What do you think about the new updates to the Rebel 1100? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle reviews and news. We've got plenty of content coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. *.